Good morning to everyone once again. As we have read that there was very surprising thing for the children of the future, as it was told for the 2157 year they were talking about. And both Margie and Tommy, they were very much surprised to see an old book. And they were having very special features about that book, that it has yellow and crinkling pages. The pages can be turned, and when they go back they can see the same text on the same pages. And according to them, this book is only a wastage. Once you have read the book, that is of no use. And Tommy thought that he had so many books on his computer and he can store so many also. But then we come to know that Margie was very scornful. She felt hatred for the mechanical teacher and the test which was being given again and again in the geography, because she was not doing well. And her mother was also very much disturbed, and she called the county inspector, as we have discussed, the person who will put the things in proper order according to that computer in the system. And we were given the introduction about that inspector also, that he was a round little man with a red face. He was having a box of tools with dials and wires. And he just made Margie busy by giving an apple, and he took the teacher apart. Means that part of the system was taken separate. It was separated from the whole system where the teacher was installed. Robotic teacher was there. So Margie hoped that he would not be able to put it right, and then he would be free from the geography classes, because she had hatred for that geography class. And but the county inspector was very expert person, and he just put everything right. Then we are told that Margie and Tommy, according to their class which they were having, they were provided a slot, a place, particular space. According to the time and position, they have to put their homework and the test papers in that slot. And she always had to write them in a punch code, which they learn when they are in the age of 6 years only. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now come to passage number 5. We were here only. From here we have to start. The inspector had smiled after he was finished, and patted Margie's head. Now the inspector was happy with this, that he had finished his work, and he was smiling at Margie, and he just patted to Margie also. Patted समझते हो कि उसके पीठ के पीछे थपथपाया उसको. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." Then he told her mother that it is not the fault of the girl. Little girl's fault means not the fault of Margie. Mrs. Jones, note down the name of her mother, Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones. And the county inspector told her mother that it is not the fault of the girl. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. क्या बताता है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि जो ज्योग्राफी का पार्ट है वो थोड़ा सा जल्दी से ऊपर उठा दिया गया है कि लेवल के अकॉर्डिंगली, बच्चे के स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं है. शी वाज 11 years old and the syllabus of geography was not according to that level, according to her age or according to her class. It was higher than that class. Geared here means adjusted to a particular standard or level. So the syllabus of geography was not adjusted according to the standard of the girl, according to her age and according to the class in which she was. That means if she was in the third class or the fourth class, the syllabus was according to the higher class. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year-old level. और ऐसी चीजें, वो क्या बता रहा है कि ऐसी चीजें कई बार होती हैं. एंड आई हैव स्लोड इट अप टू एन एवरेज 10-year लेवल. और उसके मदर को क्या बता रहा है कि मैंने 10 year के लेवल पे उन चीज़ों को एवरेज लेवल पे कर दिया और उसको स्लो डाउन कर दिया है, सिलेबस को स्लो डाउन कर दिया है. एक्चुअली द ओवरऑल पैटर्न ऑफ आवर प्रोग्रेस इज क्वाइट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री. And he patted Margie's head again. And he told that the overall pattern of our progress is okay, it is satisfactory. And again, he patted on Margie's head. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. But see the condition of that girl. She was very disappointed. She felt very sad because she thought that the system will not be set up properly and she would get time free. She would not have classes. She got very disappointed because the computer was set right. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. वो सोच रही थी कि वो टीचर को बिल्कुल उससे अलग हो जाएगा और उसको क्लासेस नहीं लगानी पड़ेंगी. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for a nearly a month, क्योंकि उसको ये माइंड में क्या आ रहा था कि एक बार टॉमी का ही ऐसे सिस्टम जो था वो खराब हो गया था कंप्यूटर, और उसको ठीक करने में एटलीस्ट 1 मंथ का टाइम लग गया था. सो शी थॉट कि उसके भी ऐसे ही जो हैं वो टाइम लग जाएगा एंड she would be away from, she would not be able to have the classes and she would be free accordingly. So she was feeling very much depressed now. She was thinking about that. Okay. And then what happened? They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for a nearly month because the history sector had blanked out completely. क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या आई थी उसके सिस्टम में? हिस्ट्री सेक्टर जो था वो टोटली ब्लैंक हो गया था. सो ही डिड नॉट हैव द क्लासेस फॉर हिस्ट्री. That's why the computer was not working and he was free. And the same thing she expected कि उसके साथ भी ऐसा ही होगा और उसकी क्लासेस थोड़े दिन ज्योग्राफी की नहीं लगेंगी. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? तो वो हैरान हो रही है, कहती किसी ने इस बुक में उसके बारे में क्यों लिखा, स्कूल के बारे में क्यों लिखा है. दैट इज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग. So in this way, she thought that as it happened with Tommy, that the history sector was blanked out completely and he did not have classes, the same would happen with her, but it did not happen because the system was set right. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? She was very much surprised कि ऐसा क्यों है कि why anyone would write about the school, क्योंकि वो book जो उनको मिली थी पुरानी वाली, that was on school. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Now see the expression used here. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Superior eyes means with a feeling of proud कि उसको ज्यादा नॉलेज थी, वो उससे बड़ा था. Because it is told earlier that he had read so many e-books whereas Margie has not read that much. And so Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school, stupid. तो उसको क्या समझा रहा है, उसको देखिए कैसे बुला रहा है, उसको कह रहा है you are a stupid girl, you don't know that it is not our kind of school, this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. कि ये स्कूल जो है वो पुराना ही तरह का स्कूल है जो कि hundreds and hundred years ago की बातें कर रहे हैं, कि बहुत पुराने टाइम की बात कर रहा हूं मैं स्कूल्स के बारे में. ही एडेड लॉफ्टली, लॉफ्टली अगेन इन अ वेरी सुपीरियर वे, मतलब बिकॉज ही वाज कंसिडरिंग हिमसेल्फ सुपीरियर टू मार्गी, कि उसको ज्यादा नॉलेज थी. ही एडेड लॉफ्टली, प्रोनाउंसिंग द वर्ड केयरफुली, सेंचुरीज एगो, और फिर से उसको रिपीट करता है कि द स्कूल रेफर्स टू, द स्कूल विच इज मेंशन्ड इन दैट बुक इज रेफर टू द स्कूल ऑफ सेंचुरीज एगो. आजकल के नहीं है, उसको समझाने की कोशिश करता है कि हमारे स्कूल डिफरेंट है and these were the different schools. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She was very much disturbed and she was not able to understand what type of school those people were having and what he was talking about. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. And now he was keeping the book in front of him and telling him that I have read from the book that those children were having a teacher. Now you can see at the picture that is shown to you of your classroom, physical classroom, which you people have been attending before last year. So they had a teacher. It was a man. And the surprising thing was that the teacher was a man. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. फिर उसको समझा रहा है, कहता है कि sure they had a teacher and that is a human being, a man. It's not a regular teacher. Regular here refers to the normal or of the usual kind. जैसे कि उनको कंप्यूटर के ऊपर एक रेगुलर टीचर मिला हुआ है, they switch on and the teacher starts speaking, and that is called as a regular teacher. So according to him, those teachers who were in the olden schools, as you people are attending now, not now, that means that is the virtual class you are having. Earlier when you used to come to school, at that time they were talking about. So he was very much surprised and he told Margi also that the teacher was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? मैन कैसे टीचर हो सकता है? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. उसको बता रहा है कितने कि वो बच्चों को चीजें बताता है, होमवर्क देता है, क्वेश्चंस पूछता है. A man is not smart enough. Sure he is, but she is not ready to accept this कि एक मैन जो है वो टीचर हो सकता है. कहती कि man is not smart enough because according to them only the robotic teacher can teach and they are smart, but an ordinary human being cannot be so smart. But he tells, Tommy tells Margie that he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. और उसको क्या रेफरेंस देता है कि मेरे फादर को भी बहुत नॉलेज है जैसे कि टीचर को होती है. He knows almost as much I betcha. Betcha here is the informal way he is saying I want to have a bet. Bet you means in fast speech I am sure. क्या कहना चाहता है कि मुझे इस चीज पे पूरा विश्वास है और मैं इस पे शर्त लगा सकता हूँ कि he knows almost as much as my teacher knows. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Now she was not ready to disagree with this. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me, and was not ready to have any teaching from a man who is strange to her, and that teacher would come to her home. She was not ready for that. Tommy screamed with laughter और वो हंसने लग पड़ता है because she thought कि टीचर जो है वो घर आता था बच्चों के पढ़ाने के लिए. तो इस वजह से वो कह रही है कि मैं नहीं चाहती कि कोई स्ट्रेंज आदमी मेरे घर आए और मुझे टीच करे. लेकिन टॉमी चिल्लाते हुए और हंसते हुए इसको कह रहा है, यू डोंट नो मच मार्गी. द टीचर्स डिड नॉट लिव इन द हाउस. दे हैड a special building and all the kids went there. Then he tried to make her understand कि कहता है टीचर जो है वो घर नहीं रहता था. जैसे उनको लग रहा है ना कि उनका रोबोटिक टीचर तो उनके कंप्यूटर के अंदर ही होता है. इन द सेम वे शी थॉट कि टीचर उन्हीं के घर में रहता होगा. So then Tommy told her that the teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building कि एक special building होती थी जहां पर कि सारे बच्चे जाते थे. That building is called as school. And all the kids learned the same thing. और next surprising चीज क्या हो रही है कि वो सारे बच्चे एक जैसी चीज सीखते थे. They all learned the same thing. सबको एक जैसा लेसन दिया जाता था. Sure, if they were the same age, कि अगर वो same age के हैं, then they were having the same lessons. So in this way, yes, Tommy was telling Margie that if they all were of the same age, the same lessons were taught to all the children. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. लेकिन क्या बताती है कि मेरी मदर कहती है कि इट इज़ नॉट लाइक द सेम. माई मदर सेज अ टीचर हैज़ टू बी एडजस्टेड टू फिट द माइंड ऑफ ईच बॉय एंड गर्ल, कि हर बच्चे और हर लड़की और लड़के के लिए टीचर जो भी टीच करता है उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंगली एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. एंड दैट ईच किड हैज़ टू बी टॉट डिफरेंटली, और हर बच्चे को डिफरेंटली टीच करना पड़ता है. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. उसको समझा रहा है, कहता है कि ऐसा नहीं होता था उस टाइम पे, because all the kids were taught similar things, same lessons were given to them. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. कि अगर आपको नहीं मन करता तो आप बुक नहीं पढ़ते हो. ऐसे ही होता है ना कि when you are given the homework or some work according to your wish, अगर आपका मन करता है तो आप उस बुक को खोल के पढ़ते हो, रिवाइज करते हो. अगर नहीं मन करता तो आप नहीं पढ़ते हो. And if you want, you go to school. If you don't want, you don't go come to school. आप कोई ना कोई रीजन देकर स्कूल से छुट्टी कर लेते हो. But it was not like for them. They have to sit at the regular time at the computer and attend the classes. I did not say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. And then again Margie said, this is, I did not say I did not like it. I just wanted to know more about those funny schools. कि उस टाइम के जो funny schools थे उनके बारे में भी और जानना चाहती हूँ. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. They were still discussing the things about that book, what they were reading in that book, and they have not finished half of the book even when the mother called her and she was telling her that it is your school time. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. और टाइम देखती है, कहती कि नहीं अभी टाइम नहीं है. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy too. और वो उसको बताती है कि शायद टॉमी का भी स्कूल का टाइम हो गया है. सो यू शुड कम एंड अटेंड योर क्लास, योर स्कूल. मार्गी सेड टू टॉमी, कैन आई रीड द बुक सम मोर विद यू आफ्टर स्कूल. तो उससे पूछती है कि क्या मैं स्कूल के बाद फिर से ये बुक पढ़ सकती हूँ आपके साथ. मे बी, ही सेड नॉनचैलेंटली. और वो अपने आप को थोड़ा सुपीरियर समझ रहा था बिकॉज ही कंसिडर्स दैट ही हैड मोर नॉलेज देन मार्गी. तो वो बड़े नॉन चैलेंट वे में, नॉन चैलेंट मीन्स नॉट शोइंग मच इंटरेस्ट और एंथुजियाज्म carelessly. He was not showing that much enthusiasm and interest in that book as Margie was taking. तो इस वजह से उसको कहता है कि हो सकता है कि मीन्स तुम पढ़ सकते हो. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. और उस डस्टी बुक को, पुरानी ओल्ड बुक को अपने आर्म के बीच में रख के वो whistling करता हुआ वहां से चल पड़ता है. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Now please note down what type of classroom these people were having. कि उनके classrooms कैसे थे. आपके classrooms तो आपको पता है that all the students are sitting in one room. The teacher comes and they taught all the students the similar lessons, same lessons if they are of the same age. And what type of schools they were having. Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Margie अपने school room में जाती है. And what she noticed that it was right next to her bedroom. कहाँ था उसका computer जैसे set किया हुआ था bedroom के साथ. And the mechanical teacher was on. It was on and waiting for her. उसके लिए वेट कर रहा था. देखिए टीचर वहां पर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है, ऑन है सिस्टम में, और the student was not there and the teacher was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. मतलब उसको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी कुछ भी करने की, ये अपने आप में ही ऑन रहता था at the regular and the fixed time. फिक्स टाइम होता था, उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली वो अपने आप ही टीचर जो था वहां पर ऑन हो जाता था एक्सेप्ट संडे एंड Saturday. Now see, you can see a picture as you people are sitting nowadays on the computers and having your virtual classes, the same type of school they were having, but it is in their house only as you are having now in your homes. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen, but Margie was not there because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hours. Now, what type of feelings she was having as her mother has told her that little girls they learn better if they learned at regular hours. Regular hours means regular routine में fixed time पे अगर वो अपनी classes attend करती हैं तो they will learn better. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. और जैसे स्क्रीन उसको नजर आती है, लाइट आती है उसके ऊपर, और क्या मैसेज शो हो रहा है कि today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. कि लेसन किसके ऊपर था? Addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework and in the proper slot. और वहाँ क्या मैसेज आ रहा है कि you should put your yesterday's homework in the proper slot. It was told to you earlier that there was a proper slot space made where they have to put up their homework, and the message was coming now to insert your yesterday's homework. Margie did so with a sigh. Sigh means with great relief, कि गहरा सांस लेते हुए वो क्या करती है, अपना yesterday का homework जो है slot में डालती है. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. पुराने schools के बारे में सोच रही है कि जब उसके grandfather के आगे grandfather छोटे लड़के थे. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came. Please note down these features what they are giving for the old schools. You all know very well about this. They say all the kids from the whole neighborhood came. ये सारे neighborhood के जो उनके बच्चे थे वो वहाँ आते थे. Laughing, shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the school. मतलब इकट्ठे स्कूल आते थे, हंसते थे, चीखते थे, इकट्ठे बैठते थे क्लासरूम में, और at the end of the day they go home together, which these children were missing. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. This is another feature what they are telling, that they learned the same things. एक जैसी चीजें सीखते थे, इसलिए अगर किसी को किसी दूसरे की हेल्प की जरूरत होती थी तो वो उससे होमवर्क ले सकते थे या उससे कुछ भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर सकते थे. एज यू आर एक्सचेंजिंग the notebooks with each other. Maths ka homework mila, you are not doing it, you take someone's notebook and you just copy it. This is the feature they are telling. But these children could not do all these things, and the teachers were people. फिर उसको सबसे बड़ी हैरानी क्या हो रही थी कि जो teachers थे वो भी लोग थे. They were human beings. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, she was lost in her thoughts, thinking about the old schools. And the mechanical teacher was flashing, उसको बार बार message दे रहा है. And the question is given on the fractions. When we add fractions 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Underline this line, what she felt. That is the title of your chapter. She was not taking interest in the teaching of the maths which the mechanical teacher was giving, but she was busy in thinking about the old schools. और क्या सोच रही थी कि बच्चे जो हैं वो कितना ज़्यादा फन करते थे, कितना enjoy करते थे उस टाइम पे at that in those old schools, which these people were not doing because they were sitting all alone in their homes, and the robotic teacher was giving them messages and teaching, and then they have to put their homework in the slot. They cannot take the help of other students, they cannot talk with anyone, they cannot discuss their problems with their teachers, and they cannot have the help of any other student. They cannot play and shout and laugh with each other because they have to sit all alone. Now, after ending of the chapter, they are giving you activity. Calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. You are given the date. So according to today's date, you have to calculate the years and months that from now Margie's diary entry is for how many years and months after. Okay. Now look at the questions, and I hope we are having very less time now, and if any problem is there, I'll give you the time, then otherwise we will discuss the questions.